If you've lost important notes in Evernote, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Evernote data step by step, including how to restore deleted notes, how to check note history for older versions, and what to do if your notes seem missing because of a sync or login issue. This is one of those tutorials that can save you a lot of stress, especially if you rely on Evernote for work, school, or personal organization. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common situation, recovering deleted notes. Open Evernote Web or the Evernote desktop app and look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Find the trash folder. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click more to expand the sidebar and reveal it. Once you open trash, you'll see notes that were deleted but not permanently removed yet. Now, scroll through the deleted notes or use the search bar inside trash to find the exact note you want back. This is helpful if you have a lot of deleted items and don't want to search manually through everything. Once you locate the note, open the options for it. On desktop or web, you can right-click the note or click the three dots menu in the note preview. Then choose Restore Note or Restore. On mobile, open the note, tap the three dots in the top corner, and then select Restore Note. After that, Evernote will sync the note back to your account automatically. In most cases, the restored note will return to the original notebook where it was stored before deletion. That means you usually do not have to move it manually afterward. If the note doesn't appear instantly, give the app a moment to sync, then refresh or reopen Evernote. Now let's talk about another very useful recovery method, restoring an older version of a note. This is for situations where you didn't fully delete the note, but you accidentally erased important text or changed something you want to bring back. Note history is especially helpful here, but it is typically available only on paid or premium plans. To use note history, first open the note you want to recover, then click the three dots or options button in the upper right corner of the note editor. From the menu, select Note History. Evernote will show you older versions of that note. Browse through the available dates and preview the versions to find the one that contains the content you need. Once you find the correct version, click Restore. This will bring that version back into your account, helping you recover lost text without having to rebuild the note from scratch. If you only need part of the information, this can save a huge amount of time and frustration. Now, if your notes are missing but you never deleted them, the issue is often not actual deletion at all. It's usually a syncing problem or a login issue. So the next thing to check is whether you are signed into the exact same Evernote account you originally used. Make sure the email address or sign-in method matches the account where the notes were created. If you accidentally logged into a different account, your notes may seem missing even though they're still safe in the original one. If you're still not seeing your content, try rebuilding the local app data. To do this, sign out of the Evernote app. Remove the local data if the app asks, restart your device, and then sign back in. This forces Evernote to re-download your content from the cloud and can fix display issues, missing notes, or sync errors. Another good step is to check whether the note was moved to a different notebook or accidentally archived. Sometimes content seems gone when it has simply been organized somewhere unexpected, so take a quick look through your notebooks before assuming the note is lost forever. The key takeaway here is that Evernote data recovery usually comes down to three things. Check trash for deleted notes, use note history for older versions, and verify your account or sync status if the notes seem missing. Those three steps solve most recovery problems people run into. If this tutorial helped you recover your Evernote data, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and subscribe for more easy software guides. I post practical tutorials that save time and make everyday apps easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.